Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character máng step by step. I will first write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. Now, let's write. Máng, busy, to rush. For example, 忙碌 busy, bustling, Now check this sentence. Farmers are extremely busy during the harvest. 农民在收获的季节里十分忙碌。Farmers are extremely busy during the harvest. 农民在收获的季节，收获季节里十分忙碌。农民 farmers 在收获季节season 里十分忙碌 very busy. Farmers are extremely busy during the harvest. 农民在收获季节里十分忙碌。My daily handwriting on the character máng. Máng, busy, to rush. 忙碌 busy, bustling. Farmers are extremely busy during the harvest. 农民在收获季节里十分忙碌。忙 Please comment any words or sentence with the character 忙. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.